In this episode of 30 Minute Garage, I want to accomplish a few things. I want to get the car jacked up and start taking off some of those intake pieces, maybe get the battery out, get the battery box out to see if we can expose the transmission a little bit better. All right. Well, let me see if this will fit. If you guys don't know, it's already jacked up. Jack stand there, jack stand there. My question is, with this very large RV jack stand fit under the engine to support it. I'm going to lean it first. Come on. Try this way first. Let me have the jacket. Oh man. I need, even though I measured, I still need about 2 inches. Okay.
I was gonna see if you had a bungee cord.
A bungee cord? For what?
For the door.
For the what?
For my door.
I don't.
Don't slow down and it likes to slam.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. All right. That was crazy. Amazon likes to deliver packages in the weird way. And the Amazon guy decided that he wanted to know if I was going to give him a bungee cord. And no, I'm not Amazon's bungee cord supplier, even though I guess I could give him one. But why should I spend money on Amazon or for Amazon to pay for their package delivery guy to not have his door slammed? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But I don't give poor people money either because I believe so many of them are scammers, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm gonna come back to jacking up the car on that stand because what I want to do is raise it, and I'm gonna focus on something else first. Oh, my handy dandy air compressor there. This came out of the trash. If you don't know, I am a huge trash collector. I could walk around and point so much things out. Well, let's do it. All this wood here for this shelving unit, that shelving unit, that shelving unit, all comes out of the dumpster because they're building new houses everywhere. So why do I want to pay for wood if I can get it for free and just take some nails out? But that's my thinking. The air compressor came out of the trash. I bought the tank for $20, and my neighbor, who is a legitimate elevator repairman, assembled it for me. Trash works perfectly. Trash works perfectly. All those extension cords, trash. I must have had 500 feet of extension cords. I know I'm segueing, but this is just me and my life. Trash, trash, trash. TV works fine. Computers works fine. Updated it to Windows 11. All the bins came out of the trash. What else do I get out of the trash? I'm in here. All the shelving unit in here comes out of the trash. A lot of my chemicals comes out of the trash because why not? What else came out of the trash? Oh, that TV came out of the trash. That top surfboard came out of the trash. That's another day for another story. Almost drowning. But anyways, let's see if I can position this camera somewhere so I can record starting to take some of this stuff off. Yep, hold on a second. Trash. This light. Trash. I have no idea if this is a makeup light, and some uses it to shine light in their face for doing selfies. Came with tripod. My organizer trash, more extension cords out of the trash, clock out of the trash. What else came out of the trash in here? So, pressure washer came out of the trash. That thing works perfect. My wife loves it. It's electric. Vacuum came out of the trash. Lamp came out of the trash. I'm on a trash kick. The level came out of the trash. Multiple levels did. I did buy this Facebook Marketplace, $200. Okay, so let's see what happens if I hold this camera and try to work. I think this just pops off. Sounds like it pops off. Hey, hey, it popped off. It's got a titty there, and a titty there. 3 titties. Put you up on the roof. I'm assuming that's 10 millimeter. Looks like 10 millimeter. Finger tight. Gotta love it. I do have a cold air intake that he gave me. Janky. Jinky, janky, janky. At least there's a breather element. Is this 10 millimeter also? It is actually tight. Is that a standard washer for a Mini? Don't look right. Yeah, it's broken. Okay, I forgot my screwdriver. It's funny. Channel is only 2 days old, and this has been such a huge motivation to, number one, do it, and number two, to document it. It may help someone. It may not. But honestly, it's helping me tremendously. So I think this pops off, out. Oh, I'll never see that one again. Wonder where the heck that went. Yeah, oh boy. Okay, so let me just set you here for the time being. And then I will pull you up, pull you out, turn you over. Without a doubt, that looks broken. Well, it might be broken, but it came off. It's definitely broken. It's supposed to go in like that. So clearly somebody didn't know what they were doing. You know what? I'm going to put this up here with the rest of the shenanigans. And because I swear I see mouse feces, even this car is only sitting about 30 days. I'm going to use my trash vacuum cleaner. This thing is rather awesome. Just suck that out. Hold on 1 second. All right, got the poop sucked out. I think I can disconnect my battery tender. This needs to come off. And I think this needs to come off. One of these 8s are rock solid tight. I'm going to go for a 9. It's an 8. Ooh, boy. Well, that video stopped, and another one started. Let's see if this one's finger tight too. Oh, that one's actually not. Maybe it's stripped. This is all one piece? I think it is. These should be quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn. There's another one over there. So let's push you up there. Let me see why that's important. Okay. Ouch. Fascinating. I see why they say that that piece has to be quite importantly put into the drain hole, because otherwise it'll just flood back here and not go into this. All right. Luckily there's already missing nuts. So now, will this piece come off? It will. Hey, look at that, a battery. All right. I think I can disconnect the battery at this point. I don't think I need to get into the trunk for any reason. But one thing I do want to do is crack both doors to ensure they drop. Those windows drop that 1/4 inch. So then I can get back in it. It's covered in the garage. No harm, no foul. If it's covered. I have the cover on actually for the cat. Her name is Meow Meow. I started feeding her dog food 6 months ago. Oh gosh, maybe it's been longer than that. Maybe a year ago I started feeding her dog food. And she's part of the family. So, okay. Window is dropped. Door chime is active. I don't know why it does that, other than maybe let you know that the door's been opened. Okay, that one's dropped. Leave you open. Stay. Amazon to the rescue. There you go, Amazon. Ay, ay, ay. It's got a BMW battery in it. Wow. I wonder if the age is on here. All right, hold on a minute. I'm getting a phone call. All right, so I had to go get my pop-up tool. Get this to never be seen again. Do I want to take that all the way off, or do I just want to leave it sit there? I'm just going to leave it sit there like that. Gross. I'll probably lose that. But that gets me access to these guys. What's that, 14 millimeter? And of course, I don't have 14 millimeter. Just trying to get ready so I didn't have to waste anybody's time watching me go grab tools, because that is the biggest stupidity of all of YouTube, I think, is unpreparedness. I swear I think it takes a half an hour just to get everything ready. It should be 14, and it's 13. Unless it's American. It's 13, good. Never see that socket again. Same size. I'm gonna bag all this stuff later. Air box. No, air box. Battery lid. Battery box. Survey says. Nifty, nifty. You know what though? It's 85 degrees in this garage and I'm sweating bullets. So I think I'm going to pause for today because I'm way over an hour with everything I've done. Leave this sit and come back another day. But I would like to jack up the cart just a tad bit because I need to and I want it set. So give me a second to reset. Okay, I'm back on the ground. You get out of the way. According to Google, this is supposed to be safe to jack from this point. I don't know why the car feels like it looks like it's bending in half. I don't think I'm going to get much higher than that. Not with at least that jack. Ouch. Looks like it's up too. Ouch. Get out of the way, just in case for some reason. That one looks good. That one, not as much. All right. Give it the old shake test. Yes. See, now I have full control with this. What is this, a 20-ton? To support the engine just like that. Once I get the subframe parts out, I've got my jack stand for my... Do these come off? Oh, they do. They do come off, don't you? I think they do. Anyways, that's it for now. Sweat, Florida, humidity, tired. Talk to y'all soon. Look at these three. All the two of the three care about is dog. Go. And this one just wants to be loved. Right, baby? Right? You guys are so silly. Look, she's the smart one. She's like, I'm gone. I'm gonna go get the ball before he even gets it. Ooh. And this one just wants love.